gathering breath. The physical movement of the gathering breath looks like we're gathering a precious resource and then soaking it into our body. Every last piece of our body, from outside into the deepest level, we're soaking in it. So if the precious resource is water, it would look like we're in water and we're dipping our fingertips in. And we might be sinking like a little squat. And we bring the resource up to our face and we soak in it through the skin, through the muscles, through the fascia, through the bones to the deepest part of us. Bone marrow washing. So we breathe in, arms float up, and we breathe out. Arms float down. And for it to soak in, you need to relax. So the breath is an inhale through the nose, exhale through the nose or through the mouth. Eyes closed. Just feel it soaking in from your palms to the deepest part of your body. Inhale, arms float up. Exhale, arms float down. As slow as an exhale as we can go. And we're relaxing the part of the body and releasing tension, allowing the energy to flow down and through us. So from the side, breathing in, breathing out. And with each exhale, try to make it a little bit slower. And with each drop of the arms, relaxing the whole body more from head to toe. So we're starting at the head. Release the part of the body where the hands are flowing. You can face different directions, north, south, east, west, for a Daoist medicine wheel approach to this exercise. The precious resource energy of that direction, letting it soak in and through you. Can be faster or slower. How does it feel to you, and what do you need right now? breath is linked to your movement. Inhaling up, exhaling down. The gathering breath. When you're done, return to the start. Bottom heavy, top light. Sink. Feel your lower dantian. Allow everything to settle.